Hello, my name is Jason Norp with KW Commercial, and here we talk about all things related to commercial real estate. Today I thought I'd take a little bit different approach to the conversation today and talk about how the COVID-19 pandemic is affecting commercial real estate agents and maybe residential agents also. I thought I'd share a little bit about what I'm doing to help keep my business moving forward, things that you might be able to incorporate into your practice. One thing that I've looked at is my expenses. Hopefully you are all doing that also. Have you looked at what kind of recurring expenses you have that you might be able to let go at this point? Yes, they might have been a great business expense, something that you enjoyed, something that helped your business grow, but they were maybe something that you can work without. You should be looking at all those expenses, seeing how you can reduce those down. Another thing that I've been working on is my interaction with my customers. I've been looking for ways to reach out to my customers to make sure that they're doing okay, make sure their family's safe, and then making sure that if they have commercial real estate needs, that they know I'm still working, that they know that I'm available to them, and that they can come to me with questions, then we can start making plans. I'm also reminding clients that are working on projects that are more long-term that we need to continue forward with those, and many of those understand that. But with a little prompting, a little encouragement, and some information, I can help them start or keep going down that path of moving forward on decisions, maybe making plans, but maybe not signing contracts. Some are signing contracts. It really boils down to what's right for them. And that's what I'm helping them do, is figuring out, okay, is this project one that can move forward, or do we need to put it on hold? And then making a plan for when we will readdress it. Make sure that they know when I'm going to follow up with them and how we're going to continue having those conversations. Again, inside of this shifting market, inside of this COVID-19 pandemic, I believe that there still are ways that we can continue to help our clients. We can be there for them. These are maybe some ideas for you. Again, my name is Jason Norp with KW Commercial. If you're in the Boise market, feel free to look me up. Thanks.